Dear esteemed listeners and honorable viewers of the Learn Arabic with Rashid Manzoor YouTube channel, welcome to Learn Arabic Counting. I am your host Muhammad Rashid and I am here once again with Level 1 Part 2. In today's program, we will be learning Arabic counting from 11 to 20. This lesson has been carefully and sincerely prepared for you with great efforts. I kindly request all of you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with others, and forward it to your friends and family so that more and more people can benefit and learn Arabic numbers. Now let's move towards today's lesson. On your screen, the numbers are being displayed for your convenience. The counting is shown not only in English but also in Arabic script and Arabic transliteration, Roman letters. This will help you pronounce the numbers correctly and remove any possible confusion. 11 in Arabic is Ahada Ashar. 12 in Arabic is Isna Ashar. 13 in Arabic is Thalathata Ashar. 14 in Arabic is Arbata Ashar. And 15 in Arabic is Khamsata Ashar. 16 in Arabic is Sittata Ashar. Sittata Ashar. Sittata Ashar. 17 in Arabic is Sabata Ashar. 18 in Arabic is Thamaniyata Ashar. 19 in Arabic is Tisata Ashar. And 20 in Arabic is Ishroon. Now let's repeat the Arabic counting along with English. 11 Ahada Ashar. 12 Ithna Ashar. 13 Thalathata Ashar. 14 Arbata Ashar. 15 Khamsata Ashar. 16 Sittata Ashar. 17 Sabata Ashar. 18 Thamaniyata Ashar. 19 Tisata Ashar. And 20 Ishroon. Now once again we just repeat the Arabic counting. Ahda Ashar. Ithna Ashar. Thalathata Ashar. أربعة عشر خمسة عشر ستة عشر سبعة عشر ثمانية عشر تسعة عشر عشرون. Our program for today is over. We request you all to like, subscribe, share and click on the bell icon. We will see you all in the next program. Thank you.